Good morning. Today we are going to see the summary of the poem Ulysses by Alfred Lord Tennyson. Ulysses is a poem written by Alfred Lord Tennyson. This poem was written in 1833. This poem is a dramatic monologue. This whole poem is spoken by a single character, Ulysses. Ulysses is a character who appeared in Homer's epic poem Odyssey and Dante's epic poem, The Inferno, Shakespeare's play, Troilus and Cressida. This poem opens with Ulysses saying that he is trapped at home. The phrase, "it little profits," means that there is no use. Ulysses says that there is no use in being an ideal king. He says that he is matched with an old wife. He is an old king of Ithaca. He is very old. His wife also has become very old. He says, "I cannot rest from travel. I will drink life to the lees." Lees is the last drop of your drink. He wants to enjoy life to the core. He is having a hungry heart. He wants to learn something. His lifetime would not be enough for him to learn many things in his life. He says, "This is my son Telemachus, to whom I leave scepter and isle." Scepter is a ceremony. Isle is the island. Telemachus will be the apt ruler of Ithaca. Ulysses is suited to be an explorer. Hyads in this poem means a group of stars. Scudding rifts means the showering of the rain. Ulysses says that he was happy when he was traveling in the sea with his friends and when he was alone. Ulysses talks about his own son in this poem. He then addresses his fellow mariners in the poem. He says that Telemachus will pay respect to his parents. He will rule Ithaca with patience. He will make the rugged people of Ithaca more gentle. He will offer sacrifices to the gods which have been adored by Ulysses. He then addresses his fellow mariners in this poem. He calls them as his friends. He says that death is very near to them. He is at the very fake end of his life. He says, "Death closes all, here the end." Here is the exact word used in this poem. Here means before. He says that they still have the potential to do something great before their death. They have become old, but they still have the strength to do something great in their life. He says that they will meet the Greek warrior Achilles in their journey. He ends this poem with the line, "To strive, to seek, to find, and not to yield." This line of this poem can be compared with Satan's attitude in Milton's Paradise Lost. This poem has many major themes as age, mortality, death, time. Ulysses says that it is time and fate which has weakened them. Ulysses wants to achieve something even in his old age. We can find an autobiographical element in this poem. Tennyson wrote this poem after the death of his friend Arthur Hallam. He dedicated this poem to his friend. Tennyson wanted to lead his life like Ulysses after the death of his friend. Matthew Arnold comments on Ulysses' language. He says, "the least plain, the least unhomeric." He says about Ulysses' language, The contemporary reviews of this poem are noteworthy. This poem has many symbols. There are many allusions in this poem. Lotus Eaters is another poem written by Tennyson. It is an antithesis to this poem. It is an opposite poem to Ulysses, in which the travelers do not want to take journey anymore. They want to take a rest. They want to take a rest in their life. They do not want to travel anymore. Ulysses is opposite to Lotus Eaters. Thank you.